You want to make crypto hard for you? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start margin trading on the Binance website, step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, stick around till the end. I'm going to share with you my first tip to avoid good usage and wise using margin. So stay tuned.
Get started with margin trading on the Binance website.
Binance margin trading is a feature that allows you to borrow funds to engage in leverage trading. Here are 4 educational steps to guide you through the process of margin trading. Step 1. Open a margin account. Log in to your Binance account and select Trade on the main navigation bar. Click Margin. Before you begin trading, you are required to complete an appropriateness assessment questionnaire. You must answer all questions correctly to open a Binance margin account. Your margin account is now activated. Binance supports cross-margin trading and isolated margin trading modes. In cross-margin trading, the risk is shared among your margin account. In isolated margin trading, the risk of margin is independent for each trading pair.
Step 2. Start with auto transfer. Suppose you have no balance in the cross-margin wallet and 10,000 USDC in the spot wallet. Binance Margin will automatically transfer the required amount of assets from your spot wallet to your margin wallet to cover the trade. Auto transfer is enabled by default for all margin users. Step 3. Trade with auto borrow. Suppose the BTC price is 10,000 USDC. Select Borrow. Enter the price, quantity, and click Margin by BTC. 10,000 USDC would be transferred from spot wallet to cross-margin wallet. Once the order is fulfilled, you would have bought 3 BTC with the 10,000 USDC collateral and borrowed 20,000 USDC automatically. Step 4. Repay with auto repay. Suppose BTC is at 11,000 USDC now. Select Repay. Enter the price. Select 100% as the quantity and click Sell BTC. Once the order is fulfilled, the borrowed 20,000 USDC will be repaid automatically and you will earn 3,000 USDC profit. However, if the BTC price dropped to 9,000, you would have incurred a 3,000 USDC loss. If after closing the position, the proceeds are insufficient to repay the borrowed amount, the system will not deduct it automatically from your wallet and you will have to manually repay the owed amount.